Number 3, can you believe it? A couple of days ago, we were like, are we gonna do this? Anyway, let's talk about the food today. This one's gonna be somewhat quick. It is food that we absolutely love. And we want it pretty much every day. And it's chicken wings. So as you can see, we're gonna get those, but we're gonna put some flavoring on it. And we're gonna show you exactly what all those ingredients are. So, moving down to the ingredients, we've got pretty much your basics, but this is with a little bit of a twist. So these are, it's a Korean style barbecue or a Japanese style barbecue spicy sauce that we're gonna add to the wings, and which includes lemon pepper. Yes, I know, it sounds a little crazy, but trust me, the wings are delicious. So we'll start here. This is Hoisin sauce. Basically, it's a Japanese or Chinese barbecue sauce used in a lot of Chinese dishes. You've got flour. This is a salt and pepper mix. And then we have Siracha. This is cornstarch. And we have lemon pepper. And this is just plain garlic powder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and season the wings first before we actually put it in the flour. We're also going to season the flour with the same ingredients that we do with the chicken. You just want seasoning on everything. And I've got the oil heating up, and we're also going to do the sauce, which is separate, which consists of these 3 items here: your barbecue sauce, your sriracha, and lemon pepper, along with butter, and that's going to be drizzled over at the end. Washed and cleaned. You know, they keep sweating a little bit, so you just want to get rid of all that liquid as much as possible. You want to have them as dry as possible, but not too dry, so we can grab the flour and the cornstarch. Anyway, seasoning is salt and pepper. This is a mix of both. Full liberal. And then you have, this is just garlic powder. All right, give that all a mix. All right. You want to wash my hands real quick? And let me get that flour and cornstarch in this pot here. Okay. So we got, this is 2 cups of flour. I do a 2-to-1 ratio. So you got 2 cups of flour and then 1 cup of cornstarch. And you want to season this as well, okay? So let me give this a quick mix. I like to use, believe it or not, a chopstick. I think works out really, really well. Then we want to do the same. You want to season the breading. Now I don't use anything wet, I only use dry. I feel like I don't want too much coating, just really light, really crispy, and the cornstarch really helps with getting it really, really crispy as well, okay? And then just some garlic powder. At this point you can probably add paprika if you want. I just chose not to. Anyway, just mix it up really well. And then we're gonna go ahead and toss in the wings. We're just gonna go ahead and drop them in the flour. And you just wanna coat them. but you want to pack it in, okay? Definitely pack it in so it doesn't fall off. You want to squeeze it on. Okay. Squeeze it on for dear life. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do that to all the chicken. And let me get these together so we can start deep frying. So we're about to go ahead and fry these things up. You just definitely want to dust it off and shake it off. The oil is at 350, and this is called double frying, so I'm not going to fry them for that long. I'm going to actually take them out and then I'm going to refry them again, and that's how you get a really crispy skin. So let's go ahead and drop this in just to make sure. We're gonna go ahead and let that cook. You want to go, I say about 6 minutes, maybe less, 5-6 minutes, because they're small wings on this, and then we're gonna fry them again for about 4 or 5 minutes. But a lot of times you can just tell with the color. And once it hits that golden brown, we'll go ahead and start serving them up, and we'll do the sauce. All right, so we've got, it's been about 8-9 minutes, and we go ahead and, so this is where we're at. Now we're going to turn up the oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, let it sit for a second. And this is the greatest, if you guys don't have one of these, this style of ladle, you know, it's so you can pick up deep fried foods. I'm going to put a link if you'd like to get one, because this is definitely like a lifesaver. Instead of, I used to use tongs, and that didn't work out too well because you can only do one at a time. And you definitely need a cooling rack, which is what you see here when I put it on. This is just parchment paper underneath so it doesn't get dirty. But you definitely want a cooling rack just so it can cool from all sides. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and turn up the temperature all the way, and make sure that it hits that temperature. And once it does, we're going to go ahead and put these wings right back in to give them that second cook time, and that's how they'll get crispy. All right, so we're back. It's on temperature, and let me show you how this works. Some of you might not have. As you can see, this is the control. I'm going to go ahead and focus. That's how I control the temperature on this thing. This thing is pretty cool, and right now it's at its highest. That's where we want to be for that second fry. But if you don't have one of these, or you don't have a deep fryer, you can get it like a candy thermometer, which I was going to get, but I ended up, with this, and it's been working fine. So we're gonna go ahead and drop these back in, and you want to leave these in for about 4 to 5 minutes because they're almost completely cooked. And this is how it's gonna be for that really crispy skin. All right. So let me go ahead and get these in, and I'm gonna let these cook. And then we're going to go ahead and get started on the sauce as well. So you move these aside and we'll get there. Alright, so second time around, as you can see, beautiful and crispy. This was about another, I want to say about 6 minutes. So total time, I'll have to leave them in there. It's about 15 minutes total. Okay. Anyway, look how crispy and beautiful those are. My God. And then with the sauce, it'll be amazing. And this is why it's important to have the right stuff, like I said. I'll go ahead, I think I mentioned, but I'll go ahead and put where I got those so they'll help out. And let me go ahead and drop in really quick a few others because we're making more. And for now, we're going to go ahead and get to the sauce. saucepan. You want to start with your barbecue sauce and sriracha. Just go ahead and add it to the pan. This is that barbecue sauce. If you guys can give a thumbs up. This is Hoisin, so it's a Japanese barbecue sauce, just in case. But it is a barbecue sauce, it's just a Japanese style barbecue sauce. It's Hoisin sauce. Give a thumbs up for Damien for his camera skills, really. He's been doing awesome. Say what's up to everybody, you're so quiet all the time.
What's up?
And then we got the sriracha. Alright. And then here's the lemon pepper. Okay. I know I've done it before, but you just want to whisk this stuff in, and then we definitely won't. So we want the heat on to let this all melt. And this will become really watery. It's very sticky. But you'll thank me. Trust me. You'll thank me for this. Alright, we're going to let this go ahead and melt down. I want to go ahead and drop in a few more wings. Okay, so just add a little bit of butter. This will help really give it that thick coating. Low heat. You don't want to leave it on high because that barbecue or the hoisin sauce is definitely, it's got a lot of sugars in it, so it'll end up sticking. And as you can see, awesome. So we're going to go ahead and pour this over the wings and give them a try. We do have more right there that we're making. So let's go ahead and get these on the wings. So here it is, sticky spicy chicken. Lemon pepper sticky spicy chicken. So I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of lemon pepper. And then I'm gonna give it a try. Well, I know I keep saying mal, but wings are one of our favorites that we want to eat every single day. And making them at home, you have control of what you want. Anyway, thanks for joining us again. We really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get out of that YouTube sandbox and get more videos and content out. Tell a friend, share our video with family or whatever the case is, and click that notification so you know when the next video is popping up. We're trying to do one every 2 to 3 days, and if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and send us a message or a comment. And I believe we've had some people say that the voice, we need a mic, so we're working on that and a couple of other things. But thanks again. Thanks for joining us.